Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Amazon Fire Stick that gets stuck on the boot logo. So the first thing you want to look at is actually your Amazon Fire Stick itself. Now, if you look at the back of your TV, if you have it just plugged in with this little USB cable, it's probably not getting enough power to actually start up, and that's why it's cutting off and not turning on. You need to plug it into this wall adapter, or maybe like one of your phone chargers that you have, and plug it directly into the wall so it actually gets enough power to start up. Now, there could also be an update on your Amazon Fire TV or Fire Stick where it's just going to be downloading and installing that, and it just needs like 25 minutes to complete the process. So you could just leave it sit there and see if that works too. Maybe the update is going to pass. Then look at your HDMI device as well. Maybe this little extender, there's an issue with it. It's not actually plugged in all the way. It could be kind of like that, where it's not going to give you a good connection. It's going to just be a black screen. You could try removing this completely. Just plug it directly into the TV with this. And then one last thing is you could try factory resetting your Amazon device by holding down, I believe it's the back button and the right side button. So this one right here. Just do this combination at the same time, and it should prompt you to factory reset your device. So just hold these two buttons down after about 10 to 15 seconds. It should prompt this versus reset to factory defaults. Just go on over to OK, and then it will prompt you to go through that process where you have to sign back in. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.